it to Milan Dragway for the start of Sick Michigan Miles. It is so hot. It's not as hot as yesterday, but it's definitely not cool out. Pimperial has made it to Sick Week, or Sick Michigan Miles. This thing is cool, 68. Cater, how do you know it's a 68?
No thing.
Round marker lights. Yeah.
This guy is riding.
If I would have planned ahead, I could have had the Imperial in here, but what? Yeah.
What?
You can grab it out of there.
Oh, yeah. But that's the one that I have. And it works because I don't have a bunch of sensors that whole time. So I just drove around.
Cool car. I love the color. Really pretty car. 4-speed too, 5-speed. This is cool.
Where they put them together and weld them, and they machine it, do it.
Oh, diesel. Big old turbo. Bunch of Beetles. Oh, big tire on that. This thing is nuts. Big old mud trains on the front, slicks on the back.
For today. Now the testing session for today should be until about 5 to 6 o'clock, depending on how many people show up to take advantage of it. And we will call you to the lanes at about 1:45. You will use lanes 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 and 4 will be left-hand lanes, 3 and 5 will be right-hand lanes. Lane number 6 will be for the E group, the hard tires, the regular street tires. And depending on how fast and how quickly we get through each session, we will run the harder. Right behind the brain band. If you would like to do so, we will have lanes open for you here shortly. Once again, committers, we will take you to lanes at this time. Be able to access your trucks and trailers. The Buick Grand National on the right-hand side, and about a half dozen. We'll line up against the left-hand side. That's the Lincoln Town Car of Westlake Club. Actually, I believe it's Cloud. Cloud goes 772 at 90. Mustang that he's campaigning in. He'll line up against the left-hand side, the old school Fox Mustang. That is Jim Delisle. Delisle, the 1987 model Ford Mustang. TJ Linebaugh gets a bump in right side. Top will find he needs a second burnout. TJ, 555 at 128 for the wagon. That is a solid flex right there for TJ. Left-hand side, a real deal 72 Trans Am goes 770 at 90 miles an hour. Right-hand side 970 at 70. On the left-hand side, sounds like Holly might have found a neutral that she did not want. So she pulls over and slows down. The 1970 Camaro on the opposite side of the racetrack. Right-hand side is Christian Hoffman's 2022 model. The Trans Am gives wheels up in chase, and we'll go 6. Pontiac on the right-hand side. Glenn Babiak, Pontiac on the right-hand side. against the Mercury Capri. It's basically a Mustang with a bigger rear hatch and wood. D'Amico comes up left side, right inside the front end, T8. Pontiac discontinued in the 2009. That's Michael White. White was supposed to be bringing the Dodge, but went for the Pontiac. Car comes up right inside the rotor, Patrick Durant. He joined us on 666 last year. He goes 683 and one of likes to party with him. This time he'll run against right-hand side. That's the Honda Civic of Keith Hall. Hall goes 749 at 97 miles an hour. Left-hand side is Dustin Sweat. Dustin Sweat all the way up on boost with a Coyote Power Mustang. Matt Creeman is going to get there first. It is a free add-on. However, if I am butchering your name, if you would like to subsequently tell me that I am doing it wrong, please feel free to come upstairs and let me know, and I will do my best to only butcher it.